In ASL, there's a concept called token. In English, if I'm referring to two things, I will usually use the word "and" to link them. Each time, I will generally refer back to the thing that I'm referring to. In ASL, you set up the categories in Signing Space and refer to them by indexing or pointing to that place. For example, if I want to talk about the seasons summer and fall and my preference, in English I'd say something like the following. I hate summer because it's so hot. Fall is so much better because it's cooler weather. I also can wear jeans and a sweater. Running the AC is so expensive, but in the fall, you can just use the fireplace and enjoy it. I love fall. Now, if I want to have the same monologue in ASL, I would sign the following. Notice how I set up token. As you can see, you set up your categories and refer back to them. I could have moved summer to my left and put fall in the middle and then added winter to my right. You can set up as many categories as you like. The categories can be whatever you want. They can include anything, whether person, place, idea, time, item, or something else.